Chacha do a hitless coins. Chacha do a hitless coins. I don't yell now. I want to do. I hope now let me read. Make sure someone share this video. If this video not reach 1 million views, no more requests from you guys. You have to make sure you share this video. Now request for hitless view. So how do you do your hitless view? Here are my rollers. Now rollers now you need. So now we begin to do our hitless view without coiling. So we are going to make this set to be a bouncy hair without using coiler but rollers. So let's begin. Leave-in condition, water and styling mousse. So I'll begin to spray on the hair. It has to be wet. Rollers like this, okay? Then you turn the tip, okay? Then you begin to roll upward. Begin to roll. Make sure say the thing dead tight. So guys, I waited for 3 whole days for these hitless coils to dry. You understand? We'll begin to take off the rollers because the thing don't get, okay? This is the front. You understand me? This is a period. I hope it's dried enough. I hope, because we not to see some for this side. I hope it come out well. Ah, this is mommy. Begin to spray my holding spray. Yeah, guys, this came out so well. I'm so happy. Check out my coils. Check out my hitless bouncy coils. No coiler, just with rollers, and I achieved these coils. If you are still on my page, you haven't learned anything. Come, I want to wash your head. Your head now she goes. Put that inside your head. Why you not feel learn something? Look at it. Check it out now. This is hitless, like no coiler. People saw the product I missed. Check out now. Look at Cinderella is looking so king. Cinderella, are you happy for your new hair? Yes, I know you are happy. My baby girl is happy. So guys, this is how to do your hitless coils without rollers, especially those who are living in Africa, who don't have frequent lights. So this is how to achieve it in your own comfort zone without spending a dime to the salon. And this is a period. I'm loving it. So I hope you grabbed something on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, drop your opinion if this video was helpful to you. Of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.